I'd just like to take a couple of minutes to show you how easy it is to manage email using Gmail. This is a GSuite account, and I'm going to set up a label. If you're a Microsoft person, you're probably better to think of this as a folder. Gmail's much better at handling emails than putting things into folders, because obviously you can have more than one label associated with one account. So just show you how to do this. I'm going to create a new label, and I'm going to call it Paul Shaw. The reason I'm going to call it Paul Shaw is I want all of Paul Shaw's mails to go into a label automatically. So that's it created. But whilst I'm here, I'm going to also set up a filter. Now, a filter is like a rule in Microsoft Talk. So again, create a new filter. I'm going to say from Paul Shaw. And then what I'm going to do is to say I want to apply the Paul Shaw label. So as soon as an email comes into my account, it'll automatically associate that label with that account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up a label and also set up a filter so it automatically applies the label when it comes in. Obviously, you can do it manually. Open up the email, click on the labels folder, and then say associate that with that particular label, and you can apply that. And what I quite often do is actually remove the inbox label, because in Gmail the inbox is actually a label as well. So if you don't want it to appear in your inbox, you untag the inbox label, and then you'll find the email in the label. As I say, if you're familiar with Microsoft, probably used to using that as a folder, but one of the benefits of labels over folders is you can apply more than one label to an email. So let's just show you that. So we're going to open that. You can see it's got an inbox label, and we're also going to add the Paul Shaw label. So there we've got two labels, one in the inbox, one in Paul Shaw, and that's how simple it is. You can make things easier. You can set up colors to the label. So I'm going to obviously put the Paul Shaw one as blue, and you just do it simply like that, and that's it. So I hope you found that useful, and we'll do more of these quick tips very soon.